This is GemLightbox. It will change the way you photograph jewelry forever. Refined colors, consistent photography and studio quality images with just a smartphone. Using your smartphone camera, capture colors and details you never thought possible before. That's because our custom LED technology has been specifically manufactured and tweaked for the perfect lighting temperature and lumen output. GemLightbox is compatible with both smartphones and DSLR cameras. Designed by jewelers for the jewelry industry, our team have condensed decades of photography knowledge inside GemLightbox. A special blend of white acrylics and shiny mirrors have been positioned so that your diamonds dazzle and metals radiate. Capture earrings and necklaces using our custom necklace stand or place them flat on the tabletops. Two shooting perspectives mean you can capture all angles of your jewelry. A sparkle light to bring out sparkles in your stones. Share beautiful images with the world. GemLightbox. The GemLightbox Jewelry Turntable. The GemLightbox Jewelry Turntable is a plug-and-play solution designed to work natively inside of GemLightbox. It is easy to use. No setup or training is required. Simply power on and connect via the GemLightbox application. Our mobile application works on both Android and iOS operating system. Using Bluetooth, you can control the turntable and capture 360-degree videos directly off your smartphone. Take full advantage of our innovative solution. GemLightbox offers perfect lighting conditions, which allows you to capture accurate colors and shiny metals. Most importantly, it provides a completely white background for consistency. With GemLightbox Jewelry Turntable, you have studio-quality images and videos at your fingertips.